Yes, good morning students. I hope you are all well and welcome you all in the class of mathematics here. And this is the third video for this week where I will explain chapter number 5 exponents, and today I will explain some simplification questions, some more simplification questions which depends upon the laws of exponent, and after that some word problems also related to it. So see the one more laws of exponent that is remaining and that I have not explained last class. That this is given that if the law is given power upon power, if this is number given a by b, and this you can see that the power is given m, and one more power you can give here, that is n. So the number a by b is the base and it has the power m. Now one more power, it is n here. For this power m, this whole a by b to the power m is the base. Okay, so we have seen here what that two powers are there, power, and upon this one more power here. So in this case the power you will multiply that a by b into m into n. Now the power is this a by b to the power m into n. Okay, that means if powers are given like this, power upon power, then all the powers will multiply only. For example, you can see that if the number is given 2 to the power 3 to the power, suppose that here given 6, then the number is 2 to the power 3 into 6 means it is, you will get 2 to the power 18 only. Okay, so this you can see. For example, yes, now see some simplification questions here. Everyone. So you can see the question is given, simplify this is given that first number 4 by 9. This is the question given only, that 4 by 9 to the power 6 into 4 by 9 upon power minus 4. So 4 by 9 to the power minus 4 here, 4 by 9 to the power 6. Then what you will do, that base is same here, 4 by 9 to the power 6 plus minus 4. Here the difference is that it has positive power and it has negative power. Why? If two numbers we are multiplying and their base is same, then the power you have to add. This rule I have said that two numbers we are multiplying and they have the same base, then in the product the base will be same, only you have to add the exponents. Okay, so number is 6 plus minus 4. So you get that the number is 4 by 9. This 6 plus minus you will do, then it will become that 4 by 9 to the power 6 minus 4, means it is 4 by 9 to the power 2, you can say. Okay, this is 6 minus 4 is 2. So now you can see this way you can solve the questions. Okay, more simplification, that where you will simplify first the given expression, you will simplify and write that in the form of rational number. The result you will write as rational number. So if the number is given this 3 minus 3 by 4 to the power, if the number is given minus 3 power it is given, then what you will do, that is 4 by minus 3, exponent sign change only here, plus 3. This formula I have studied that x by y to the power minus m, then this is equal to y by x to the power plus m. So when you change this sign minus m to plus m, then that moment only you have to change the base, that is reciprocal the base. So this is y by x to the power m, y by x to the power m here. Then you write that 4, it is this 3 power will come on the numerator also and denominator also, minus 3 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 you will get that 64. 4 into 4 into 4. This 4 cube, what you will do? 4 into 4 into 4. And this minus 3 cube means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So downside you will get minus 27 and this is 64 only. So this is 64 by minus 27. At the last this minus sign is upside here to write the number in standard form. Okay. So this is your answer, students, that minus 64 by 27 here. Okay. Now you can see this. Yes, now the next question I am going to say that see these are all simplification question only. If the number is written 5 to the power minus 1 minus 7 to the power minus 1, upon this you will get whole power minus 1. Okay, that means it is in the bracket. The numbers are given in bracket. Minus 1 minus 7 to the power minus 1, upon that you will give minus 1 power. This way. Then you will write that it is 1 by 5. Why? Because see that 5 to the power minus 1 means 5 is 5 by 1 here. Then you will make it reciprocal, the base reciprocal, that and exponent sign positive now, from negative to positive here. Then base you will do reciprocal, that is 1 by 5, power is 1 now. Now here same way, here it is 7 by 1 and power is minus 1, then you can write it is 1 by 7 and now power is 1. And outside this bracket you can give, and outside also power minus 1 written here. This you can write 7 by 1. Okay, and this you can write 5 by 1. Now the number is what? It is 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 and power is minus 1. So this you simplify first. LCM you will take 35 of denominators 5 and 7. 5 into 7 10, then 7 into 1. This I have explained. 7 into 5 10 and 5 into 1 is 5. So you will get that 7 minus 5 to the power minus 1. This you will get that 2 by 35. 2 by 35, the power is minus 1. Now change this minus 1 power to positive. So it is 35 by 2. And power is 1. Write that it is 35 by 2 only. Understood? But the last answer is 35 by 2. Okay? Your rule I have explained. This is rule only. Since reason given why I have changed here. So the solution part is this only. This is it. Okay? Now the next question is here. See all. It is given 4 by 3. And here power is minus 1. Then minus 1 by 4. Minus 1. This is only expression given. And this you can simplify. If suppose that outside also whole power given minus 1. Whole power minus 1. This you will write first, it is 3 by 4. Now power is 1 by the formula just explained. So it is 4 by 1, power 1, and outside it is power is minus 1. This minus power is on this whole bracket, big bracket. This you will write 3 by 4 minus 4 by 1. And this is the power minus 1. So first evaluate the bracket work, first you do. That 4 is the LCM, then 4 into 1 10, then 3 here, 1 into 4, then 4 into 4, it is 16. So 3 minus 16 minus 13. Minus 13 by 4, and outside power right minus 1. In this you will write that 4 by minus 13 and the power is 1. Then at the last result what you will say, that is 4 by minus 13 only, 4 by minus 13, then minus sign you can send outside, that is minus 4 by 13. Okay. Next, we see this. Next question, I am going to tell you that the number is given minus 1 by 4 to the power 2. Okay. And then upon that power is given minus 2, and above this one more power I can give here, that is 1 or minus 1. I am giving that in minus 1. Then you will write what? Minus 1 by 4, and the power give that 2 into this power. Above this 2 the power is minus 2, and above this minus 2 the uppermost power is minus 1. So all the powers you will multiply, because this is the exponent rule only. Laws of exponent, 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. This you will do. Then this is what? Minus 1 by 4 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1. Okay. So you will get that 4 only, because minus into minus plus. This is result. You write in the rational number, you can write that minus 1 to the power 4. This 4 power will come to numerator and denominator both, that is 4 to the power 4. And you can write it is, always remember that if there is even power on a negative number, then the result will come positive only. So it is 1. 1 you will multiply any number of times, it will be 1 only. That means you will give any power to 1. Okay, if positive 1, then result is 1. But if negative 1 written, that means minus 1 written, then if even power, then result you will write positive 1. Odd power, then minus 1. This is rule only. You can check also. Then it is coming 64. 4 to the power 4 is 64 only. Okay, students, you can see this. How I have shown. Using all the exponents you will multiply, and the base is same here. Okay. Yes, students. Now the next question here. What problems have been based on this only? Laws of exponent. That by what number should 3 to the power minus 4 be multiplied to obtain 5? To obtain 5 here. What number you will do? So in 2 parts I am solving here. First you will do this. Let the required number to be multiplied with this number. Let the required number be x. Then according to the question you can say therefore 3 to the power minus 4 into x is equals to 5 here. This you can write. Then this you solve. This you can write 1 by 3 to the power plus 4 now. Exponent, if you will change the exponent sign, then the base you will reciprocal first that. So 1 by 3 to the power 4 into x equals to 5. Okay, then you will write that it is coming 1 by 1 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 into x equals to 5. Then it is 1 by 81. This 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied 4 times here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 81 only. 3 to the power 4. We will get that 81. Okay, so this is 1 by 81 into x is equals to 5. Okay. Now 1 by 81 is multiplying here on the LHS side. Then RHS side it will, or otherwise you can do this cross multiplication. X by 81 equals to this is 5 by 1. Now cross multiplication rule. This x into 1 is equals to 81 into 5. This x into 1 is equals to 81 into 5. This is known as cross multiplication rule. So 5 into 1 and 5 into 8, 40. Answer is 405. Therefore, x equals to 405. Hence the required number you will say by which you will multiply 3 to the power minus 4 is 405 to obtain the product 5. Okay. You can see this. Yes, now the next question you can see, student, the question is, by what number should minus 30 to the power minus 1 be divided to obtain 6 to the power minus 1? This means by any number you have to divide this minus 30 to the power minus 1, so that quotient will be 6 to the power minus 1. So you can write first, let the required number be x. For solving the equation you will solve minus 30 to the power minus 1 according to question is when divided by x, then the quotient is 6 to the power minus 1. Division result we are saying quotient here. So it is now reciprocal that 1 by minus 30 and the power is 1 now. Negative power, change sign to plus 1. Then this into 1 by x. This is here x by 1. This you are dividing, then this is x by 1 only. So when you will multiply here, the second rational number convert into reciprocal. That write the reciprocal of second rational number. Okay, so it is x by 1, then you have to write 1 by x. When you have written multiply that term. Okay, reciprocal this second value, second rational number. Now it is here 1 by x to the power plus 1. Here also reciprocal because minus 1 power is there. This formula you have studied. X to the power minus 1 is 1 by x to the power 1. This only here. Now next this equation you can solve that. You will get this. It is 1 by minus 30 into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 6. This you will solve. It is denominators minus 30 into x. So minus 30x. One more method in this you can do that. It is 1 by x equals to 1 by 6 divided by 1 by minus 30. Because here 1 by minus 30 is multiplying on the LHS side, then RHS side it will divide here. Okay. 1 by 6 into minus 30 by 1. Okay. Then 6 into 1 time and 6 into 5 times. So you have got that minus 5 only. 1 by x is minus 5. Solve this equation only. And then you will get that minus 5x by cross multiplication you will do that. Minus 5x equals to 1. Then x equals to minus 1 by 5 you will get that. Minus 1 by 5. Okay, this is the last answer, minus 1 by 5. This simple equation you can do that. Solve. 1 by x is minus 5. It's reciprocal you will do, then that side also reciprocal. That is 1 by minus 5. Then if this minus sign you same the upside, it is minus 1 by 5. Okay. Now your homework is this, that this is your homework. Exercise 5A, question number 8 to 13, and learn the laws of exponent. Solve exercise 5A, question number 8 to 13, and learn the laws of exponent of chapter number 5. So thank you all of you.